you're very lucky that this is waterproof. All right, I have to show you guys this. I love it. Now, first looking at it, you can tell this is not just your regular Bluetooth speaker, but also it's not a regular tiki torch. This is TikiTunes, and I love it. Because if you're having family gatherings, you're having pool parties, anybody who sees this is gonna ask you where they got it. But don't let this size fool you. I want you to look, okay? It is small looking, but it packs a punch. Do you hear that music? You can actually feel the bass with the speaker that comes off this. Kids, everyone's gonna be dancing. But what's also great is you can go ahead and play your music all night long, and this guy is never going to lose a battery. So what I love, the party never stops. But I'm gonna show you right now, I'm gonna show you my favorite thing. Come here. Okay, so now we are going to have a lot of fun, because if you have multiple TikiTunes, you put them right beside here, now they're actually gonna talk to one another. So watch this. Right on top here, we have our little power button. I'm just gonna turn that on, and you see, blah, blah, blah. Watch this.
TikiTunes connected.
Okay, now watch. Now here with this one, you ready? I'm gonna push this button here. Just push it.
TikiTunes connected.
Now they're perfectly synced together, and it's that easy. But then if you push this button, and this is really one of my favorite parts, look at how gorgeous the torches look. So now I'm gonna show you a place that I placed them right inside the Let's go. Come with me. Okay, so now we're gonna change the mood just a little bit. Are you ready? Same TikiTunes, we're gonna put them right here. All right, look at that. It completely changes the atmosphere. And what I love, they're so versatile, you guys. I can just have them as tiki torches, and you don't even have to play music. So now you have that really calm, cool area. I mean, look at here. These are the perfect tabletop tiki torches. Now, when my friends come over and they see these, they always think that I spent so much money on these, but it's my little secret that I know that they're really, really affordable. But I promise you're not like sacrificing anything. These look great, they sound great. Best of all, they're water resistant, they're portable, and I know you're gonna love them, and they really do look great. But I hate to say this, talking about looking great, I gotta go get ready for my party. It's been so much fun. I know you're gonna love it, so don't you miss them.